In this video I will show you how to delete an account on SHEIN application. So let's start. First open the app and then go down here and click on this Me icon. Next, click on this wheel, Settings, and go Manage My Account. When you see Delete Account, click on it. I'm doing this for the first time, so we're gonna try what's gonna happen. So click on Apply to Delete Account. Alright, you'll just read these informations. Agree. Nice. Continue. And just click Other. You don't need to give them reason. And click Next. And now you will receive email and you will put this code. So give me a second. I will do it right now. Here we are. And confirm application. Okay, confirm. Yeah, it's already deleted, right? I can only sign in or register. So this is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, please hit the like button. If you want to support this channel, please subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.